Hello everyone, this is Kat. I'm going to be opening my new L&L kiln, or new to me L&L kiln I should say. It's a 2015. It actually went through all of the cycles it was supposed to, and apparently when you put new elements in, you're supposed to do a test firing by itself, with just the furniture and nothing in it. But I couldn't help it. I put one item in this. One item. It is a bowl for the bowl exchange. I know you're going to be looking at this saying, what? It's 109 degrees inside. Don't open till after it's under 100. Well, this is Texas. It's outside. See? Outside. Outside. It was 98 before I even started it. So, this is about where we're going to be lucky to get. I'm going to open it now. I don't know. I don't want to look. I don't want to look. I'm scared. I don't want to look. Did it run everywhere? Did it? The one bowl, it's for a bowl exchange. And it's ugly. It's an ugly bowl. And well, okay. I don't even know what happened. I don't know what happened. It underfired, it crawled, it did everything. Well, this isn't the bowl for the bowl exchange. Even though it said it reached temperature. Look at my at least it didn't run. But it crawled. That's it crawling. I don't think it hit temperature. Well, it kind of sounds, I don't know what it did. I was there when it okay. Here's the non-bent. I'm just disappointed. I don't know what happened. It hit temperature on the outside, apparently it said, before it completed. Now normally I do cone 6. Well, my kiln doesn't do cone 6 all the time. Sometimes it does over there 4.5 or whatever it wants to do, but this time it didn't do anything. So now I'm going to be troubleshooting a lot of things. And the bowl's getting further and further away from being sent. Anyway, don't know what all this is about. It's ugly now. I'm going to have to make a new bowl and go from there. Cash blue is kind of cool inside. It doesn't look anything like it said, or like it did before in my test tiles and everything. Okay. I'm going to set you down so I can move the next shelf so I can look at the next set of. Okay, apparently kilns hate me. That's all I got to say. I'll be disappointed today, but then on my next days off, Monday and Tuesday, at some point I'll figure out what's going on. One of these days it'll work, and I'll get what I try for. But I just don't know why it went to temp on the outside. Relays were working. I'm just going to get, well, I don't know. I don't know what's wrong. Try some new, get different cones, because I'm always having trouble. So I'm going to get a whole new 3 set of cones. Probably get the Orton self-standing for it. And I'll try a bisque load in here and see what's going on in it with that. Okay, I'm going to go back to the drawing board. Bye.